Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from our Wise account to our bank account. So for that you need to open up your Wise account, and after that you will be able to see this option of send money on the top left hand side corner. Just click on it. Then you can select whether you want international payments or this payment in the same currency appropriately and according to your needs. Suppose you are making an international payment where you are sending INR and the recipient gets USD, so just select it, and after that just click on continue. Then it will ask you whether you are sending it to yourself or someone else or business or charity. Just choose appropriately. Then provide the bank details, the full name, routing number, account type, and other options. Then click on confirm, and after that you will be provided with a review whether you have filled the details correctly or not. After reviewing your transaction, you can just simply pay the amount and receive the amount in your bank account or other person's bank account, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.